When do sloths sleep and other amazing facts by Erin. Table of contents. What sloths look like? Page 1. Where sloths live? Page 2. What sloths eat? Page 3. Other amazing facts about sloths? Page 4. What do sloths look like? Sloths have grooved gray fur. Some sloths have 3 toes and some have 2. Sloths are as big as a cat. Sloths have tiny ears and big eyes. Where sloths live? Sloths live in a tropical rainforest of Central and South America. They live in the canyon. What do I eat? Sloths eat leaves and fruits. Other amazing facts about sloths. Sloths are the slowest mammal on Earth. It takes a sloth 1 day to get from one tree to another. Sloths are nocturnals. Jaguars and harpy eagles hunt the sloth. Dedicated to my family and friends.